Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley and I hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Okay, you guys, so today I have a plus size Shein, I have a plus size Shein try on haul for you guys. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Shein and I'm gonna try them on for you guys. So you guys, I love Shein. I'm always on their app looking at stuff. They always have flash sales. Their clothes are very inexpensive, like super affordable, and they got really cute trendy pieces. So I made a big order and I've actually since made 2 other very big orders, so make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can see those videos as soon as I post them. But yeah, I got a bunch of cute stuff here. I got 2 big bags full of clothes here, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you these pieces. So if you're ready to get started, then let's get started. Okay, so this is the first outfit. It is this 2-piece tie-dye biker short set. It comes with a crop top here, and I really like this crop top. It's the perfect size crop top. Like, it's not too short where it's like underneath my boobs. It's like the perfect length. Like, it just gives you like a little slither of belly, so I really do like it. And then it also comes with these biker shorts. I really like how they fit. They fit really well. Like, it just looks so cute. Like, this is giving me all types of pride vibes. Like, I'm ready for the pride parade, although it's canceled because of this pandemic, but it is giving me all types of pride summer vibes. Like, this will look cute with like some white sandals or white sneakers, a little crossbody bag. It's really cute. I'm gonna show you guys the back. The back is really nice. It is not see-through, which is great, so you're not really seeing anything underneath, which is good. But yeah, I really like this outfit. It is just super cute and very effortless. You could dress this up or dress it down. Like, if I wanted to be fancy, I could be fancy with this if I wanted to, but of course it's more of a casual look. So yeah, I really like this. I did get this in a 3X. I do go up a size when I shop on Shein. My regular size is a 2X, but anytime I shop on Shein, I always go up a size, and depending on the material, I might go up 2 sizes. So this was an outfit that said it had slight stretch, so anything with stretch, I do go up 1 size. So I got this in a 3X, but anything that says it has no stretch, I go a 4X, because there's not going to be no space to stretch, so I need a little bit bigger so I can fit it. So yeah, this is this outfit. Okay, so here is the next top. It is this black over the shoulder long sleeve top. The edges of the shirt has this scalloped end, and you know what, I think this top is really cute. I did get this in a 3X, but the only thing I don't like about this shirt is that I feel like it doesn't have enough fabric. Like, the space from the top to the bottom, I feel does not have enough fabric, because it is barely covering my boobs. Like, if I put my hands up, like, the bottom of my bra is here. Like, I don't like that. I feel like it should have just a little bit more fabric. And then at the back, like, I feel like all my rolls and everything is out. Like, I don't know, I would have preferred if it had just a little bit more fabric, if it was just a little bit smaller, longer. If it would have came down to like here, that would have been better, because I cannot raise my hands with this. Like, it's cute to take pictures, but that is pretty much it. It's a very cute top. Like, I love the top and it's cute to take pictures or whatever, but it needs more fabric unless you wear something that's super high-waisted. But I just paired it with the same shorts that I had on from before. But yeah, it's a cute top. I really like it, but I really wish it had a little bit more fabric. But it is a cute top. Of course, if your boobs are smaller, you'll probably fit into it a lot better. It's probably just because I have really big boobs and it needs to fit over the entire boob. But like, already, like, my bra is already showing. So yeah, but it does have the over the shoulder, which I love. It just like connects here. It's very cute. I love it. So yeah, this is this top. Okay, so the next top I have is this neon green crop top, which I think pairs really well with these shorts. I mean, the shorts has more of a yellow and this is more of a green, so I don't know if it really matches, but yeah, this is the top here. And I just got this because I thought it would be just a cute little top to fling on with some, you know, black high-waisted jeans. And just to give you a little pop of color, the top is that like weird bathing suit material. So it is that, I don't know what that material is called, but it's like bathing suit material. It is pretty thin. It's, I don't know, is it see-through on camera? I don't think it's see-through on camera, but it feels thin. It's thin, but it's okay thin. This is what the back looks like. It's just, you know, racer back. Is this called a racer back? I don't even know. But this is what the back looks like. It's just a basic top, and I just thought it was super cute. It was really cheap. I think this was on like sale or something when I got it. All the prices and everything will be listed on the screen, as well as the sizes. But yeah, I thought this top was just really cute. You can dress it up with something, dress it down. You know, I think it's really cute. So yeah, this is this top. Okay, so here is the next top that I have. You guys, I feel like this top looked way cuter on the website, on the model. I do not like how this fits. It's a nice style top, but I just feel like it was executed bad. Like, first of all, the material, this is not the material to use. It's that weird like bathing suit scuba material. Like up here just looks so basic, like a t-shirt. Like, I don't know, I feel like they could have done way better, a way nicer design at the top. Anyways, it is pretty long. It goes down past my knees, and it has these two big splits at the side here. So of course this would look cute with some like short shorts and stuff like that. This is what the back looks like. It's just really basic. It's not that cute. Like, it really isn't that cute. I'm gonna move the camera so you guys can see how the bottom looks like. So here's what the bottom looks like. You guys, I just don't like it at all. Like, so yeah, I don't know, there's just something about this that I do not like. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know if I could maybe like make it look cute. Like, I don't know, maybe if I tie the front, it'll look better. I don't know, you guys, there's something about this that I do not like. So it looked way cute on the model, I think. So yeah, this is this. It was super cheap as well. I just picked it up because I thought it'd be really cute to pair with, like, you know, shorts, or maybe you could use this as a bathing suit cover up or something. I don't know, but I am not really feeling it that much. So yeah. Okay, so the next top that I have is this cheetah print bandeau top. I just paired it with some black high-waisted pants that I had from before. These are not from Shein. These are actually from Walmart. So yeah, I just paired it with that. But yeah, this is what the bandeau looks like. It's very thin. It's just a basic bandeau, just to, you know, wear under something, or, you know, to pair it with like some high-waisted pants, and you can just throw a cardigan over it, or a cute little jeans jacket. So this is what it looks like. I think it's very decently sized. I do like that there is enough fabric, so I feel like I am pretty covered up in the back. I probably have to pull it up a little bit because my bra strap is showing, but at least in the front you're just getting a little slither of belly. It's not too much. So I do like this. It was super inexpensive as well, and I just got it to just pair with, you know, something real simple. So yeah, this is this top. I think it's actually really cute, you guys. I love anything cheetah print, so yeah, I think this is really cute. Okay, so here is another cheetah print top that I got. It is this off the shoulder stretchy ruchy type top. I think it is so cute, you guys. I love cheetah print, so when I saw this, I'm like, oh my god, I have to have it. So you just have the little arm attachment thing here. It's very small. Like, the sleeves are very, they feel comfortable. Like, they're not tight. Like, I feel like I can move. Like, I really like it. This is what the back looks like. Obviously my bra is showing. This needs to be pulled up more. But yeah, I think this is just so cute. Like, I would love to get a cheetah print pair of sandals to go with this, because this is cute, with a nice gold chain, nice gold earrings. Like, I love it, and I love the length of it. It's just the right amount of belly showing. It has a good amount of fabric, so I like that, because sometimes they're too short and I don't like that. Like, I could lift my hands up and it's not really going much, it's not really going high, so I like that. I love that the arms are so stretchy, way stretchier than that black one I showed you, because the thing was like attached, the sleeve was attached, but this is so much better. Like, I can move. I love it. I think this is so cute, you guys. Like, this is just, yes, like living out my true cheetah girl lifestyle with this. Like, I love this. Okay, so here is the next top that I got. You guys, I got a lot of tops. I won't lie, I did get a lot of tops. I definitely need to make another order with more bottoms. But yeah, I got this top. I love this top. It says my body, not yours. Because yes, this is my body, not yours. So yeah, and of course I still have on those high-waisted black pants that I had on before. So yeah, you guys, this is cute. Like, this is just your cute throw it on but you're still making a statement type top. This is what the back looks like. Oh, this top is so freaking cute. I love it. Like, I love this. This is so cute. Like, I'm gonna have to get some really cute pictures in this because, girl, I love this. This is super cute. Really nice. And this top also came in different colors, so I might have to go back and get some more of this because it fits perfectly. Like, I love it. Yes, the bra straps are showing, but wear a black bra is not that big of a deal to me. Cute little necklace. Like, girl, this is cute. I really like this top. Okay, so the next item I have are these leggings here, and they have all of these like cutouts and stuff in it. So I think these leggings are actually really cute. So these leggings are actually pretty thin. Like, they're not that thick leggings material, but I still think it's really cute. I really love the cutout designs in it. This is what the back looks like. It might be see-through. Let me see if these are see-through. They look see-through. I mean, I'm wearing black panties. I can't tell if they're see-through. I guess when I'm editing this video, I'll see if they're see-through or not. But yeah, I think this is super cute, and I think it pairs really nicely with the top as well. Obviously, this is that shiny-ish material, so the color is like a little off, but they're both black. So yeah, this is what these leggings look like, and I really like them. They're not super tight at the bottom. Like, I mean, they look okay, but they're not super tight at the bottom, but it's fine. So yeah, this is what these leggings look like. They are cute. I really like them. Okay, so the next item that I have is this really cute floral skirt. You guys, I thought this skirt was so cute online. Like, it is really cute, but it is short. Like, I could not wear this to go out. It is way too short. Like, it's this asymmetrical look, which I think is so cute, but like, this slit is practically at my kitty cat, practically. Like, my whole kitty cat's finna be out. And like, the back is short. Like literally my ass is here. Like, I could never bend down in this. I could not bend down in this top at all. Like, in the skirt, like, it's so short. Like, but it's so cute. Like, I love it. Like, all I can do with this is probably wear it in the house and wear it to take pictures, but it is short. My whole thigh is literally out. Like, it is so short. It is short. Like, can you guys see in the mirror how short it is? Like, what? Like, it's so short. Oh my god. Like, okay, let's see if I pull it down a little bit. No, but then it's not going to be high-waisted. I don't want it to be like kind of high-waisted. So if I'm wearing it here, like, it's too short for me, but it's cute, you guys. Like, this, it's cute, but it's too short. So be mindful of that if you're ordering that. It might be short. I don't know if a bigger size would make it fit better. I don't know, but I love this skirt so much. Like, it's so cute. Like, anyways, this is this skirt. Okay, so the next thing I have is this dress, and you guys, I'm actually really impressed. This dress is cute. So it pretty much has this like gold and black design. All types of different things are going on this dress, but it's really cute, and the length is actually quite nice. Like, it's a little bit above my knee. I really like it. Like, this dress is cute, and of course you can dress this up or dress it down. This is cute. Let me look at the back. Here's what the back looks like. Of course, my bra strap is showing, but I think this is cute. Like, girl, this is cute. I'm gonna rock this with a cute pair of sandals. Like, girlfriend. Yes, I really like this dress, you guys. This dress is so cute. This is cute. This is really nice. I love this, you guys. I love this. It is so cute. Okay, and the last outfit that I have is this two-piece set. I saved this one for last because it was my favorite outfit, so that's why I tried it on last. But you guys, I love this outfit. I think it is just so cute and chic, and it's just lovely. So it's this black crop top with that same scalloped over the shoulder type thing. The top says "C'est la vie, Paris." So yes, and then the skirt is this red plaid skirt. The skirt is very stretchy, you guys, really stretchy. Lots of stretch in it, lots of give. It doesn't have no zipper or anything, which I like. You just slide it on, and yeah, I honestly bought this just because of the top, because I love tops like this. As you can see, I had a few of them in my haul. And I knew this top would be cute by itself, like without the skirt. So that's why I'm like, okay, I gotta get this because this will look cute without the skirt and it'll look cute with the skirt. So yes, it just gives you the perfect slither of tummy. And yes, this is what the back looks like. It is really cute. Oh, this is really cute. This is so nice. I love it. And the skirt has a really good length also. It's not too short. It's just the perfect length. So yeah, this is this outfit. I love it. Okay, so the rest of the stuff that I got are some jewelry slash accessory pieces. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show them to you. So I got this baby girl necklace. I got this in silver. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's nice. Oh, the baby girl is a nice size. So this is what the necklace looks like. It just says baby girl on it. And this is gonna be cute. I just hope it's not too tight around my neck. Let's see. So, oh yeah, it'll clasp right here. So it falls really nicely on the neck. So yeah, it just says baby girl. Ooh, these could be paired together too. This is cute. So yeah, I really like this necklace. And then the next necklace that I got is this layered chain necklace. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. See what it looks like. So it's 3 chains, 2 crosses, and 1 circle pendant. The circle pendant doesn't say anything on it, but this is what it looks like. So it's just nice layered look. I'm not gonna try it on. I just want to show it to you guys. So yeah, this will be very cute with any outfit. It all does connect into 1 chain, so it's not like you're wearing 3 different necklaces. It's just 1 necklace. So I do like that. One of the crosses actually does have a Jesus figure on it on the cross. I think that's cute. And yeah, so I really like this set. Okay, so the next item I have here is this, I think it's a necklace. I don't even remember what I ordered. I think it's a necklace and it says princess on it. Let me see if I can get this open. It's a necklace? I think it's a necklace. Yeah. Okay, so it's this princess necklace. It's short. Is this supposed to be a necklace? This is short. Like, this will choke me more than anything. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It has a little heart pendant on it. And then it also says princess. So that is that. You guys, this looks really short. Like, I'm pretty sure this is just going to choke me. And I won't be able to wear it as a necklace because the chain is really short. The chain is very short, but let's see. But let me see if it would fit. I really don't think so because this is short and you can only put it to the end. So let's see. So here's my A. Okay, it's not that bad. I'm definitely not choking. okay, it's kind of cute. I'm not choking, but it is very close. Like, I don't like wearing my necklaces this tight. It's practically a choker at this point. So it's cute if you have a smaller neck, but for my plus size girls, if our necks are a little thicker, girlfriend, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it's too tight. Like, I feel it on my neck. I don't feel like I'm choking, but like I feel it on my neck. And I don't know if I like it so tight. So anyways, this is that. So I'm going to take this off. It's a cute necklace, but I don't think it's cute on me just because it's a little bit too tight. So yeah. Okay, and the last accessory piece that I have here is this chained necklace look. Again, this one has the letter A in it for Ashley, of course. I have an A. I have all these different gold things on it. So yeah, you guys will see a picture on the screen of what it looks like on the site. But yeah, this one is actually 3 different chains. There's 3 different clasps here. So you can wear these all together or you can wear them separately. So here is what it looks like. I think they're all tangled up together. Let me see if I can get them undone. So it's actually 4 different necklaces. So there's the letter A, there's a lock, there's a cross, and there's this random, it looks like a credit card maybe? I don't know what it is, but anyways, it's all these. They are all sold together, so I guess you're supposed to wear them all together as a layered look, but of course you can wear all of these separate, and these are really nice, so I look forward to accessorizing these. So yeah, that is the end of this haul, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I love all the pieces that I got. The only thing I'm not too fond of, to be honest, is that black dress thing with the slits. Like, I don't know, I was expecting something way nicer. It just doesn't fit as nice as it looked on the model, on the site. The quality just... that's the only thing I didn't like, but everything else I really did like. So I'm very excited. And like I mentioned, I did make I made 3 more Shein orders since making this order. So make sure you guys stay tuned because I have some more Shein plus size hauls coming up. So be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more, and be sure to follow me on Instagram as well, where you guys can see how I styled each piece. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and tell me what your favorite outfit was. This is definitely my favorite outfit, you guys, because it's just cute. Like, it's giving me like cute schoolgirl vibes. Like, girl, I love this outfit the most. So comment down below and tell me what you guys like the most, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.